Morning. Morning. Sunday morning. Wake and bake. Oh, Jesus. Okay, morning. Augie here, Switchback Trading. Oh, what? Somebody's here. What's going on? I thought somebody was here. Yeah. So it's been a good week. It's been a great week. I've been running up a PA account nicely, I must say. Can you hear me? Fucking try to do better with my audio. Is that better? 1 2 1 2. Yeah. So same thing as the last video. This pivot high, pivot low, reversal model. It's fucking printing. It's giving me bank, man. And yeah, let me show you. Look at it. Growing these accounts. I've been growing this account quite nicely. Yeah, like I said, I was getting back into trading, and I got a PA account, and starting to build up some nice juicy profits in it. Yeah, so from the 14th. Today's the 14th, yeah. So 14 trading days. I got 17,343 profit. I like it. But what is nice is look at this fucking consistency. Just slow and steady. 1,600, 1,800, 1,200, 1,200, 1,900, you know, a grand, another grand, 1,300, 1,300, grand, 800, 54 bucks, 1,400, 114, and 2,500. Look at that. So I was denied the first payout there for the 30% max drawdown. That was for the first payout period, so fair enough. Happened on one day. It's hard. It's easy to do when the account's smaller, but as the account grew bigger, I'm still using the same position size. So then the chance of that happening was less and less, basically. Especially now at this, you know, it's still starting off, you know, 5 micros max, you know, max 2-3 minis. So nothing crazy, but just some nice consistent growth in that account. So I'm happy about that. So 3 more days and then I'll get a payout on that one. I won't get denied for the second request because I was good. But yeah, I'll show you what did that, what those juicy gains was the last model that on the last video, the 50% retracement for the pivot high, pivot low swing. Okay. Yeah. So wait one. What the? No way. Really? Ah, here we go. I think it's cashed. Okay, anyways. So look at here. Okay, we're starting. Okay, pivot high and pivot low, right? What did I say? 200 EMA and the 50% retracement, which is right fucking there. Right? Okay. So it's above the 200 and it's crossing above the 50% retracement. And that's your target. I gotcha. Okay? And then what happens? Pivot high, fucking pivot low, fucking 50% retracement above the 200, and then fucking 2 bangers in a fucking row, and the market's not even open yet. You know what I mean? So it's fucking, it just prints, man. It just prints. It fucking prints and prints. Damn, shrinking. But what? There's some cardinal rules. Okay. So I'll tell you. Rule number 1: always enter in the same direction as the trend. How do you know that? The purple line here, that's the 200 EMA. Okay. So you're only gonna go long when it's above the 200. You're only gonna go short if it's below the 200, okay? Actually, there's a short here too. Remove 25. 50%, yeah. So there's this pivot low, pivot high. 50% is about there, right? About there. So it broke down, and then once it broke down past the 200, that was a valid short. Targeting, what are you targeting? Previous fucking lows. Why? Because as soon as price took out this high, right? There was buy stops to go long. People fucking went long there. Okay? They went long there. Where they put their stops? Okay, that's the closest stop. So it makes sense. Fucking stop run. And then once again, I'll get rid of the schmig. Pivot high, pivot low, 50%, reversal, above the 200 EMA. Fucking go! Get in! You fuckers. Fucking and then if you had a runner, it just, you know, and same with these little fucking, it's not a proper pivot high, pivot low, but these little pullbacks to the EMA. Once it reverses above the 50%, fucking go. The trend is fucking up. Okay, don't fucking fight the fucking trend. Okay, so now things are changing, right? Fucking, yeah, okay. So don't fucking fight the trend. The trend is clearly up. Is it not? The trend is up. These pivot high, pivot low, reversals, fucking, it's, you above the purple, you're going long, okay? 50% reversal in and target previous highs, you know? That's it. Like, look, it just fucking prints, keeps you on the right side. Look at that, that got taken out. Put a fucking runner in it and catch a fucking massive move. Okay, so now what's happening here? This is breaking down. Breaking down, okay. So now we're looking for fucking shorts. We're looking for shorts. Actually, so 50%, so it already broke down. Took out that. Let's see what happens. We're looking for shorts. Okay, now look for entry. We're looking for if it breaks down past 50% of that level. Why? Because it's going to be below the 200 EMA, and then that's a 50% reversal. So that's your entry to go short if it breaks down. You're fucking in. Okay, and like I said, we target the previous pivot lows. Okay. Okay, so that would have been a loser. So previous pivot lows didn't get hit. It reversed. And that was a stop out. So definitely stop out. Here we go again. What's this? Pivot high, pivot low, right? 50%. So it's breaking the 50% and the EMA at the same time. That's a short. Fucking short like a motherfucker. Short it. So targets would have been hit. Where first target right there. Boom. You went in short there. Boom. First target. Why? Stops are there. Put a runner. Keep a runner in. Stops at break even. Fuck. Look at that move. There's another one. Look at this one. What the fuck's going on here? See this one? Same thing. It made the pivot low. It came up. Made the pivot high. It's still below the 200 EMA. Once it reversed 50%, you're fucking short. Take your first profit there at that previous low. Keep a runner. So the runner would have been stopped out for break even. Okay, if you would have took profit there, break even, stop out. That's fine. Okay, fucking you printed. Same thing here. Look. Pivot low, pivot high. There's a 200. So we're looking for shorts. If it breaks down past that 50%, okay, we're short. We're fucking short. And like I said, you can be targeting previous lows. Keep your stops tight. Right. There we go. Boom. Out. Profit. You would have had your stop there at the other high. Got taken out. Still looking for shorts. There's another short right there. Look, fuckers. High, low, high, 50% of that. Once it broke down, get the fuck in, it's short. It's a short, it's screaming, Okay, and now where's a potential target? That's 1 minute opening range coming into view. That's another short. All of this is fucking shorts because it broke down past 50%. Target, smoked. Smoked my fucking target. Look, that's the target. 1 minute opening range for the session. Okay, now looking for. So this is interesting here. So once like this is a significant move above the 200 EMA, right? Wait, you fuckers, don't get in yet. Wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback. If it makes, now your entry to go long would be if it retraces back above the 200 EMA and gets above the 50% of that pivot high low swing. Okay, that's your entry to go long. So you're fucking in. Your order was there waiting. Stop out though. Okay, so basically that's a loser. You would have got in there. Your stop would have been there, and that's a stop out. Fair enough. Fucking go. This would actually be good for SARS, a stop and reverse strategy. You need balls to do it, but I think there's some merit to it. There's merit. Hold on, I need to top up. Oh, what a way to. What a way to start a Sunday morning, right? Fucking coffee and a bong. Fucking, what a life. What a fucking life. Okay, continue. Focus, fuckers. So this sell, really, that should have been an entry there. Look, here could have been the short. Yeah, we missed this. So that low was made, pivot high, and the EMA is right in the middle. Okay, so you see 50% of that, and it's breaking the EMA at the same time it's crossing the 50%. I like that. I like it when it's doing it at the same time. And you know that those are the targets. Why? People went high. No, I'm fucking high. Okay, people went long. I can high, long, up. It's all kind of, you can see how I got that mixed up, right? High. People went long on the break of that and that. So basically, people went long. People, where their stops? There. With this strategy, basically, you're the fucker that's doing the stop runs, okay? It feels good, man. It feels good. And you're like, I'm coming for your stops, motherfuckers. Look at that. See? You need a fucking runner. Keep a fucking runner in. Even these little fucking, and then you're like, there's nothing, it's nothing. It's below the 200. Fucking, that little fucking short would have played out right there if you're targeting the previous fucking pivot low, okay? Fuck! Okay, now shit's changing, okay? Little pop up, right? Okay. But you know what? Don't always take the first one, because I mean, the market, it likes to fuck around, right? There's fuckery afoot. So, yes, it retraced to 50%. Yes, it's getting above the EMA. Yes, you could get in and do a quick scalp there, but wait for a pullback at least. Wait for a pullback. So I like once that prints, okay, so that pivot high printed, and then the pivot low. Here, okay. So if the first pivot, after it gets above the 200, comes back. Okay, so that's like your fake out, right? It's like, fuck, everybody's like, no, everybody's going short, right? And then if it crosses back above, get in long. There you go. First target fucking hit. There's your target. Okay, first target hit. And fucking leave a runner. Leave a runner. Oh, look at that. Another target fucking right there. These opening ranges, they like them. They like them. Okay, those are targets. Okay. And here, look, same thing. It's above the 200, made a pivot high, made a pivot low, all the time above the 200. So 50%, once it reclaims that 50%, fucking get in long, targeting that high. Easy peasy, lemon fucking squeezy, okay? Jesus, look at this. Look at this. Oh, same. It made a pivot high, came down, made a pivot low. It's above the 200. Crosses above the 50% retracement. And then get in. There's your fucking first target. Leave a runner. Okay? It's that simple. Pivot high, pivot low, swing reversal. Same here. Can you see it? Do you see? Do you see? And then 50%. It gets above the 50%. Oh, sorry, once there. Right there, 50%. There's your fucking target. Leave a runner. Fucking What's going on here? So here, okay, this right there, it broke down. So this, once it's below this, right, you're only looking for shorts. And shorts happen after pivot up reversal. There'll be a swing high, a swing up reversal, right? Okay, so I mean, this one didn't print, but it was a pivot high above right there. That would have been a sweet fucking entry, right? Fair enough, didn't get in, okay. Now, in now, why? Printed a pivot low, came up, didn't get above, and now it's breaking down again, and it's retracing the 50%. No, oh, okay. So your stop, I would put my stop there. So let's see if we get stopped out. Ooh. Okay, and the second, so this is, you see the next signal coming up? That's a swing low, a swing high. 50% of that is there. It'll be below the EMA, and that's at 50%. So if it breaks down past that, then we're good. We're good. Fucking get in, add to the short. Boom, right there. Fucking TP one hit right there. Why? There's stops there from people going long right there, okay? Keep a runner. Oh, and that's it. That's it. There's no more. There's no more market to exploit. So yeah, that's the fucking, she prints, okay? I'm telling you, man. 17.5 grand in 14 days. Listen, I know it's not crazy numbers like Lanto, fucking people pulling out fucking millions in days, like that's nuts, you know? But I'm happy with the steady consistency of that account. It was a PA account, and I built it up nice and slow. Wasn't fucking doing crazy YOLO shite, you know? So, yeah, it's this fucking model. Don't get me wrong, the SPT, I'm still using it. I still trader. But this for scalping, for quick little fucking scalps, going with the trend, you know? So the indicators, I'll show you the indicators. Fucking simple, free. The pivot points, high, low reversal, and missed reversals level. Lux Algo. Okay, do you see it there? Okay. Pivot points, high, low, and missed reversals level. Okay. Lux Algo orbs, opening range for each session. Okay. Those are targets. Those are important. And I lost my light. Okay, I got back up. So, and a 15-second chart, okay, 15-second chart, 200 EMA, okay? 15-second chart, 200 EMA, pivot high, pivot low, missed reversals. The settings for the pivot high, pivot low, pivot length 34, okay? 34. So yeah, so that's my indicators, that's the settings I'm using. And that's how I see the market. I don't think it needs to be so fucking complicated. It's stay with the trend, stay on the right side. And that's what this does. This just keeps you on the right side. It's a reversal strategy after a pullback. So you're going with the trend. So this will keep most beginners out of fucking trouble because you're not fighting the trend. You're not doing risky mean revision moves when the trend is still underway, basically. You know? So yeah, if you like it, like, subscribe, all that bollocks and stuff like that. And I'll do another video next week and I'll see how my Apex account is growing or if it's fucking gone, right? You know the score. Okay, Augie, Switchback Trading, like and subscribe and all that stuff. Thank you, bye-bye, bye.